Hey, welcome back to the Mental Picks, and I'm gonna explain what's the best sourcing activities related to retail arbitrage is by choosing what items to source, actual items. Like you see at my back, we got some Lego, some beauty stuff, some electronics we got, leftovers because electronics going crazy well, toys. So as you see already, this is how it looks. What's the best options is for your Amazon FBA by doing arbitrage business, and especially related to retail arbitrage. So I'm gonna start with the number one. Let's say number one, obviously it's gonna be Lego sets. Lego sets always are golden options because retailers, when let's say you're doing retail arbitrage, or in other hand, I'm gonna say you like this, stores each specific time frames, they reducing sale prices on Lego sets because new Lego sets coming into the market, so they need to move this old stuff out to pick it up, new inventory, and put it in that place positions. So this is the main reason why these sets always going on sales. And obviously if you late, 1 day late or 2 days late already after the sale happening, these sets basically gone, because regular customers buying that massively, resellers buying that massively, even more massively than regular buyers, investors buying that massively. So basically lots of people buying Lego sets for each own purposes. Let's say like this one example, Speed Champions. Everyone knows Speed Champions. So basically they're doing well after retirement, prices increasing drastically, and these mini sets, which one is Speed Champions, always going 15-17 pounds each. After retiring they're going for 25, 30, 40, 50 sometimes. So it's really nice options to choose when you're doing retail arbitrage. Obviously you need to know when it's retiring dates coming in. It's approximately, there is no guaranteed dates of retirements of each sets, but by googling it you can find approximately dates for retiring sets, and you can decide how much you want to pick up, or that price is good enough. Like obviously this is basic RRP price is gonna be about 15-16 pounds each. These Ferraris Speed Champions, it was very popular in Asda, Tesco, Sainsbury's, Morrison's, all these big stores. So my pick was under 10 pounds, and it should be really nice as an investment, let's say in 1 year or 2 years time frames, because it can be easily received later on. 30 pounds, 35 pounds each. For this one specifically, I paid 7 pounds at Asda. So I got some small pile. I think at the back I got more, even 6 pounds each. So ridiculous pricing, even without waiting for big sales of Lego sale itself. So sometimes you can catch I don't know, best prices available than wholesale itself. So really nice options, these Lego sets. I'm gonna show you this example. This is from Sainsbury's, basically. Video coming out too soon, I think, on YouTube. So Sainsbury's, I paid how much I paid? I think 25 pounds, something like that levels, and it's selling already for 55 pounds each. So it's crazy profitability on these sets, and it was easy pick at local Sainsbury's without even trying to go nationally or whatever. These, and obviously it was dropping on our Discord group, these leads, fresh leads notifications, and really nice profitability on these sets. And again, another one, Lego sets, this one, Asda, like you know, I think it was 15 pounds, yeah, 15 pounds each. It was national sale. I got full shelf with 50 units. I got 50 units by doing retail arbitrage, and paid 15 pounds each. From wholesalers you cannot get that, never, for 15 pounds. It's already going for 35 pounds, about that. So, and the price is gonna be just recovering up, because obviously when national sales happening, prices always dump it down a little bit, because competition increased and newbies jumping in onto the listings, and they have no clue what they're doing even on these listings, and that then price is going down close to break evens, maybe 3, 4, £5 profit still left, but it's nothing good in it. And price already after a couple of months, it's recovering, and I can make £8, £10 in profits. And I'm gonna still wait, you know, maybe Q4, Christmas period. And like I said, I got 50 units, so it's gonna be ridiculous profitable stuff. Another one, what is, let's say, number 2 retail arbitrage best picks by doing arbitrage with the retail related activities? Obviously, it's going to be beauty stuff like this one. Is just examples. Saint-Tropez, self-tan. Like you see these. I don't know actually what is this. Like basically, I don't care even, and like everyone else. I would say rinse some stuff. Again, just picking up from sales clearances events, like sales shelves, clearance shelves, or sales events, or you can pick up from online arbitrage activities too. So, but when you're doing retail arbitrage, beauty stuff always are on liquidations. Basically, you can catch these almost every day. Which stores? Top ones, top 4, top 5 is gonna be Asda, Sainsbury's, Tesco, Morrison's. They always got some, you know, like yellow stickers shelves, or I think Sainsbury's got own stickers, but they got some clearance shelves too. So each retailer got own clearance shelves. So you should be checking this daily actually. Boots, the best beauty stuff got boots every day basically. And recently we've been dropping fresh leads on our private group to our members, ridiculous amounts of beauty stuff related to like similar stuff like this, and it's going on shelves showing for pennies, for £1, £2, selling on Amazon for 15, 11, 12, maybe £20 each. Sometimes there is some even exclusive ones, like for a couple of pounds picking up some beauty stuff and it's selling for 30, for 40, for 50. It can happen, and it's always happening. What third options would be? I think it would be electronics. Electronics, I got only one left because, like I said, electronics, they're going really nicely. When you're sending into the Amazon FBA, they're selling straight away. Electronics is always good stuff to choose. Obviously, what's the issues? Returns, basically. Returns is the issues on electronics, because people got guaranteed about 1-2 years return options if something happens, you know. But obviously, and you got the same option to return to your retailer from where you was picking up this item. And on receipts, most of the time it's gonna show 1-2 years. You got time frames to return that back if something happens. So you got some security to back it up related to retail arbitrage. So it's really nice option. Like I said, downside of it is returns, long-term returns. So you can be forgetting you sold this item, and imagine after a couple of years it's coming back in damaged boxes. It's not looking good sometimes, but the most profitable stuff is electronics always. And this example is just paid about £10 at local stores, and it's selling for 50, for 60, for 40. So ridiculous profitability on electronic stuff. So basically, I can include another one option is number 4, basically toys. Basic toys, not most profitable, but the most popular, let's say, with retail arbitrage stuff. So one of the best options is toys. Basic toys, you know, like this one, or at the back I got some exclusive toys, Star Wars, Hasbro related, you know, like all popular brandings really going each time on Amazon FBA. And toys, I think it's most volumes generating sales activities on Amazon. I think groceries is something close to it related, but toys is always best options if you want quick money, to make quick money basically. So this is how it looks. I hope you understood situation, how it is easy to be done retail arbitrage at your local retailers. Obviously you need to know what to look and when to look. Like I was explaining, Lego got own dates when retailers dropping these prices. Beauty stuff, basically almost daily you can find these clearances, and toys is very similar. Toys happening constantly, these sales. So Like you see, you can find loads and loads of inventory to be sold on Amazon FBA. So that's how it looks, and till next time.